Hello all, welcome to my channel. I'm Rajiv Pujala. In this video, let's take a quick look at rows and columns. We already have seen how the row function works or the row formula works, and we already have seen how the column formula works. Let's see what is the difference between row and rows and column and columns. Okay, let's deep dive into the spreadsheet. Let's say, so for example, here row of this one it returns the row one row value, and for example if you select row of this range, it will return back the row number of the specific row. Whereas in the rows function, for example if you select the value here, rows of here, this c1 d2, it returns 1. So basically, I mean, it returns back the count, the number of cells that you selected. For example, is equal to rows of, I'm selecting the same range here, and instead of returning the row number in the rows formula, it returns how many rows that you have selected. So 6 rows you have selected. So that's the main difference between the row and the rows. Row returns you the position in the index of the specific row, whereas the rows returns the number of cells, the number of rows that you selected. For example, let's say column is equal to column of E1. This returns what is the position, what is the index of column E, which is 5. Or if you say like column of these two, these four, so it again the column function returns the index of this one 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's see columns of E1. This returns 1. Basically, the columns returns the number of cells that you have selected. For example, columns of these four, it returns the value as 4. So that's the main difference between row versus rows and column versus columns. Thank you for watching this video.